And I'm going to present the type of activity today is media learning. We have two opportunities here, movement and listening to music. And in movement, the baby will learn different hand movements, and it helps them to develop their brain and exercise for their hands, and it teaches hand and eye coordination. In music, the baby will learn new words and will enjoy while listening the nursery rhymes. And enhance for the baby, enhances creativity for the baby, encourages imagination and promotes creative thinking. As a caregiver, I will encourage the baby to participate while playing the music the video. She will copy my movements. I will be teaching 1-year-old Pino toddler. Her parents are both working and has no disabilities. Only child, and she's very cute, soft, innocent, adorable, and with short hair. She's a Filipino, and she's loved and cheerful and responsive. She loves music and colorful objects. The music and the materials will be using musical toys, video materials, and software as a 1-year-old video. Hello, good morning, baby Rosie. My name is Ate Mary. Ako muna ang makakasama ko today, baby. Para sa daddy and mommy is nag-board. Okay ba yun, baby? Ano ginagawa ni baby Rosie? Ang dami namang musical toys ni baby Rosie. Para na baby Rosie. Wow! That's a different music pala ng guitar mo, baby Rosie. Ang siya ng baby Rosie nung lumalig ng music. Rely on my baby Rosie. Ang ganda ng ngiti ng baby na yan. So, I have an idea na para sa ating activity today, baby Rosie. So, I will share it first. Dahil mapili ka sa music, baby Rosie, ang activity natin, kakanta tayo, ha? Okay, baby Rosie, papakita ko sa iyo. Papalo mo si Ate Mary, okay? We will. Rosie, just follow me, ha? Let's see wheels on the bus. The wheels turn, they go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through town. The doors on the bus go open and shut. Together, baby. Wow, very good, baby Rosie. And shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through town. Oh, very good, baby Rosie. Galing na papalo mo. Napaka-faster talaga yung baby Rosie. So, isa pa nga, no? Song? Gusto mo? Dahil happy ka, kanta tayo ng happy and you know it. Lagyan mo na si Ate Rosie. Ate Mary, how's your